Surface area of cubes and prisms. A rectangular prism is 10 feet long, 2.1 feet wide, and 3.4 feet high. What is the surface area of the rectangular prism? So even though we don't have the picture here, we know rectangular prisms are made up of 6 rectangles, and it's 2 groups of 3. So we're gonna draw that. So our first one, our first set, the way you do this, you take the first 2 dimensions. So 10 feet and 2.1 feet. So we're gonna do 10 feet and 2.1 feet. 10 feet and 2.1 feet. All right, so we're gonna use the area of rectangle formula, base times height. So to find that, so A equals 10 feet times 2.1 feet. And 10 times 2.1, we're just gonna move this decimal point over to the right one time. So it's like that, so it's gonna be 21. And feet times feet is feet squared. So this is gonna be 21 feet squared, 21 feet squared. Then we're gonna do our next set. All right, to do that, you take the second dimension and the third, so 2.1 and 3.4. So 3.4 feet and 2.1 feet, 3.4 feet and 2.1 feet. So again, A equals base, so 3.4 feet times our height, which is 2.1 feet. So I'm gonna go over to a handy dandy calculator. So we got 3.4 times 2.1, that's 7.14. So we got 7.14, and feet times feet is feet squared. All right, and our last set, you take the third dimension, 3.4 feet, and the first dimension, 10 feet. So 10 feet, 3.4 feet, 10 feet, and 3.4 feet. All right, and the way you do this is base times height still equals 10 feet times 3.4 feet. So to do 10 times 3.4, you just take the decimal point and move it to the right one time. So that's gonna be 34. So 34 feet times feet is feet squared. So we got 34 feet squared for both of these. All right. And then once you have all 6 of your areas, you just add them up. So 21 plus 21 plus 7.14 plus 7.14 plus 34 plus 34. So let's go ahead and do that. We got 21 plus 21 plus 7.14 plus 7.14 plus 34 plus 34. And that equals 124.28. So 124.28 would be the answer on this one. 124.28 square feet.